Hi Aries, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to do your general reading from 28th till 4th of October. Okay, so this will be a general reading, so it might or might not resonate with all of you. So for those who are new to my channel, a warm welcome to you all, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing and hit the bell notification icon as well, so that you will be able to get updated about my latest videos. Alright, so let's see what is there for my Aries in the coming week from 28th till 4th of September, sorry, 4th of October. Let's see. So I'll be looking at your past, present and future energies today. Let's see what is happening with my Aries, please. Alright, so at the back of the deck, it's the Fool card over here. New beginnings, new journeys I'm seeing over here for you. Alright, so you know, with new beginnings, it's like where you actually want to begin your journey differently, in a different manner. Your past energies are the Star, the Devil and Ten of Pentacles. So it's more about, you know, that kind of an energy where you were wishing for, there's a wish over here from, you were actually asking from someone that kind of a relationship, or might be something which was temporary. It was temporary, but you were thinking about it like in a permanent way. Like you had likings for someone, and it was just likings, it was just temporary, you know, one night stand, some kind of a very temporary energy, 4 months, 5 months duration. But you took it seriously, and you thought that it would be the Ten of Pentacles, it will be the love of your life in your past. Your present energy, Seven of Swords, King of Wands, Queen of Cups. So you went on, you were the one who was, you know, who was emotionally involved in the situation, but the other person over here took it, you know, that person might have just walked away from your life, deceived you, told lies to you, and because he or she, this person, whosoever this is, this person was really not in that thing. You got emotionally involved, I see over here. Your future energies, Three of Cups, Two of Wands and Nine of Cups. I'm seeing some kind of reconciliation happening over here, because you are waiting for something. You are waiting for this person to come back, or you are waiting for someone else to come. A person, a Prince Charming, somebody of your dreams, you know, dream coming true. I'm seeing some kind of reconciliation in your future. Yeah, getting back together again. Alright, so let's clarify the energies. Okay, let's see what is there for my Aries. Okay, let's see why the Fool card is here. Okay, Six of Wands, Two of Cups and Ace of Swords. So yes, actually what you are wanting is clarity. You want the truth. You want to win someone over here or something. It's more about the person you want to win, because it's a connection which you feel is like a soulmate connection. You feel that this person is the one who is actually made for you. You both are made for each other. The time you spend with this person is not just, you know, it's not temporary. You feel that. and that is why you want to clear stuff. You want to win this person to come back. You want this person to come back. So with the Fool card, I'm not seeing the new beginnings with somebody new, but it is more about you are trying to give one more chance over here to someone from your past. Okay, let's see why the Devil is here in your past energies. Knight of Cups, 5 of Wands, and 3 of Pentacles. So this person might have met you in your work like office or somewhere you already work, and how you met was I'm getting that sort like, you know, when people, they attract each other when they are actually fighting. So this is how you might have met this person, like by fighting with each other, and that how you came closely. It was very permanent. That is why you got attracted towards each other here. This is why, you know, this was like something happening to you which you have seen in movies, so some kind of that thing, and you have thought a lot about it. Let's see why the 10 of Pentacles is here. Why 10 of Pentacles is here in the past energies. Let's see what else. Okay, 7 of Pentacles, the Empress, and 9 of Wands. Okay, so from your side I'm seeing that there were not so much conflicts. It was like, for you it was like your wish coming true, a person coming in your life the way you wanted, your Prince Charming approaching you, just like you see in all those fairy tales. That was something for you. But for the other person, for your person, it was like he or she wanted something more mature, something more stable, and there were other things this person was going through in his or her life. I'm seeing that there were some kind of blockages as well. This person was not able to he was not free. This person, whether he or she, this person was not free, and you know, this person actually, your person actually wanted that time. Your person never wanted to go things very fast. Your person was taking time and also wanting more time for you, but you wanted it fast. Obviously you are Aries. Okay, let's see what are the present energies with 7 of Swords. Why the 7 of Swords here? Okay, 9 of Cups, 8 of Cups, and 4 of Wands. See, one person want to get married as soon as possible. The other person is like moving away, running away from you. You are wanting that. See, with the Wishful card, again a wish, a hope, that wishing card of being content. So this is how you are looking towards things. You are like, no, I want marriage, and you are very stern with this thing. Might be you also have said to your person that I want marriage and that's it. So this might have made this your person might be afraid after listening to this, because I'm seeing this person running away from the situation. See, with the 8 of Cups and the 7 of Swords, in both the situations, this person is running away as fast as this person can. So you were emotionally involved. You were the one who was like, I just expressed my feelings, and then what happened? Let's see why the King of Wands is here in your present energies. Ace of Wands, Judgment, and the World card. All right, so yes, so don't worry. I don't feel like this person is really running a lot far. This person is just taking some time off. This person is just looking for the perfect way out from the situation, because I can see that, you know, there is liking, there is that trust. I don't feel there are many problems with each other. It's more about the other responsibilities, the other things which this person is looking towards. Okay, so this person is really coming back to you in your future. Let's see why the Three of Cups is here. Wheel of Fortune. Okay, Three of Cups with the Wheel of Fortune, King of Swords and Ten of Swords. So yes, I think this person of yours has something else to finish first. There are some other places which are, you know, there are some other zones which are incomplete, might be dealing with somebody else. So he or she is really, this person left you because there are some areas which this person has to take care of. So this person needs to finish the other problems, the incomplete tasks, and that is why I'm seeing that you are waiting for this person to come fast to you, come back to you, and your wishes being fulfilled. Let's see why the Two of Wands is here. The Tower, Seven of Cups and the Page of Swords. Yeah, you are waiting for this thing to happen, and first everything has to be completed on the other end. Whatever the other responsibilities this person is going through, you know, other processes, there is something which is actually going on in this person's mind, in this person's life, and he or she has to overcome the problems, has to fight those problems first to be with you. All right, because this relationship is very pure, as because you feel it too, and you feel it that this person is your you know, Prince Charming, your happy-go-lucky person, your happily ever after person over here. Okay, so that is all from my side, Aries. Very good reading for you, because whatever you are feeling, you are manifesting it towards you, and if you are manifesting this person towards you, this person is coming towards you. All right, so that is all from my side. I hope it helps, and we will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.